Warp drive is one of those science fiction technologies like teleportation and time travel that have some scientific basis. We just haven't achieved it yet. However, scientists are working on developing an interstellar spacecraft engine that is similar to the antimatter engine of the Enterprise. No engine is likely to generate superluminal speeds. The laws of physics prevent us from doing that, but we will be able to go many times faster than our current propulsion methods allow. A matter-antimatter engine will take us far beyond our solar system and let us reach nearby stars in a fraction of the time it would take a spacecraft propelled by a liquid hydrogen engine like the one used in space shuttles. This isn't a trick question. Antimatter is exactly what you might think it is. The opposite of normal matter, of which the majority of our universe is made. At one point, scientists considered the presence of antimatter in our universe as only theoretical. When antimatter comes into contact with normal matter, these equal but opposite particles collide to produce an explosion emitting pure radiation, which travels out of the point of the explosion at the speed of light. Both particles that created the explosion are completely annihilated, leaving behind other subatomic particles. The explosion that occurs when matter and antimatter meet transfers the entire mass of both objects into energy. Scientists believe that this energy is more powerful than any that can be generated by other propulsion methods. The problem with developing antimatter propulsion is that there is a lack of antimatter existing in the universe. If there were equal amounts of matter and antimatter, we would likely see these reactions around us. Since antimatter doesn't exist around us, we don't see the light that would result from it colliding with matter. However, scientists discovered a possible deposit of antimatter near the center of the galaxy in 1977. If that does exist, it would mean that antimatter exists naturally, and the need for antimatter production would no longer be necessary. For now, we have to create all the antimatter ourselves. Luckily, there is technology available to create antimatter through the use of high-energy particle colliders, also called atom smashers. Atom smashers like CERN are large tunnels lined with powerful supermagnets that circle around to propel atoms at near light speeds, so it will be possible in the near future